Hi, welcome to this Market Watch edition. Few days earlier, when Nifty was at 18,200, 300, I posted a video that was on 27th, 28th of the last month. In October, when I said that I would not be making longs, and I think today, I think going forward, I would be interesting. It would be interesting for me to make longs now, and I think going forward, आज especially जो जिस तरह से market move की, as per my experience, I can say it looks good to me. Of course, the market is supreme and anything can happen. So let's do a quick analysis and let's see top stocks which we are going to keep in our radar for short to medium term. हमारा Pidilite में strategy था this candle of 24450 and just ये break करके it went towards 2480 levels. So Pidilite would be in our radar, and together with that also HAL was able to close above 1400, so this is also good. Of course मैं कुछ दिनों से Mindtree, LTI, LTTS तीनों में ही हूँ and they all closed at its high today. Mindtree made an all-time high over here, and now I think हमारा जो 5000 का target था, maybe this would be achievable in a very short term. Titan is also looking good. Trent is also going towards 1200. So these are the few stocks which I think is looking good, and also we will keep a track on Whirlpool, because this also had a good a nice dip and then it closed near about days high, and this is also true for MCX is trying to move past the levels of 2000, so let's see if we are able to get a closing above 2000. Muthoot Finance also at all-time high, nice consolidation is happening. So these are few of the stocks which I really think going forward. So Indigo also, this is a very typical bullish structure. Any move and closing of 2200 will actually take it towards 2400 in a very short term, so we should be keeping this in our radar. M&M हमारी strategy 3, once it breaks 906 levels, then we will be adding, and from there it went towards 928 levels today. So this also, as long as the levels of 906 are held on a closing basis, so this also is looking good. Siemens also, you can see a nice consolidation is happening, and so going forward we can expect some very good move. And so in general, when I'm looking into most of these stocks, I am actually feeling that going forward, maybe this is a time where I should be deploying funds and trying to make positions. Shriram Transport Finance also, as long as 1600 के ऊपर closing आती है, there is absolutely nothing to worry, and this can actually consolidate for some more time. The real strength will of course be coming when it's able to breach its earlier 1700 all-time high. Adani Enterprise भी अच्छी लग रही है, लेकिन I think this compared to Havells, Siemens is looking really good. Tata Steel also posted results. Let's see how it moves. In general, it seems like there are a lot of short positions which are getting created at 1300 levels. अगर कल gap up opening हुई, there will be short covering, and we have to see towards closing कहाँ पे जाके close होती है. JK Cement also, very nice move, very nice consolidation. We are just waiting for a move above the levels of 3700, and then maybe it will go towards the levels of 4000. National LMB is also looking really good over here, nice consolidation. As long as 95 levels are not breached, we can expect a good move in National LM, and maybe the result of Tata Steel is going to boost all this set of companies, and so we have to just see. Also Biocon, nice consolidation is happening. We are very much interested in Biocon at if it moves towards the levels of 380, 386, these levels are very important. ITC also, this is a sort of अगर ये 225 levels को breach करती है, then it will also breach 220. But if it is able to move past the levels of 238, then again we would be thinking of creating some long positions. Dr. Reddy had a huge resistance at 5000, it corrected towards 4500, and now again it's going towards 5000. This also looks good. Infi looks good, right? So as a result of which this is the thing that I am really not that much skeptical of the market anymore. So when I posted the video last month, it was everyone was thinking of 18,000 won't be broken, and then it was hugely broken, and then it went towards 17,600 levels. Our target was 17,500. After that it recovered, but I didn't participate in that recovery because I was not sure of. But now it looks good. Ultra chem also looks really good. 8,000 seems like let's see if it is able to revert, and if it does, then tomorrow we at around about at 1-2 बजे हम लोग अल्ट्रा केम को देखेंगे और फिर हम अपना पोजीशंस उस तरह से बनाएंगे. TVS Motor is also looking really good. It made an all-time high of 800 and now nicely consolidating. This is a very good structure, and this is also true for LT. Both have similar structures, so LT maybe it's making new all-time highs every day, and now I'm pretty sure that as long as 1900, and especially I don't believe in 1910 के नीचे भी आएगी, and if that's the case then LT is definitely shooting for 2000. Escorts हम लोग 1450 is a very important zone. जब भी यहाँ पे dip करती है, you can see multiple times this is getting some buying attraction over here, and it is easily able to close. ये 15,000 में बहुत अच्छी से ये move कर रही है. Whenever it dips below 15,000, we just wait for it to recover over 15,000. When it does, we add positions, and we have seen it always gives us a good move of 30-40 points on an intraday basis. Okay, and other than that, Kotak Bank also, it seems like it should get some support at 2000. Hopefully 2000 levels को breach नहीं करेगी. So in general, these are few of the stocks on the long side which are looking good. And if we look in on the short side, so basically 169 was breached today, and this is exactly a very good short trade. From 169 it came to 164 levels, a good 5 rupee more, and this was also one of the trades which we had discussed earlier. We entered when 169 was broken, and then from there it went towards 180, and from now again it's back to where it started. L&T Finance Housing also was having a good run, then it broke 90, and from 90 our target was 80, which was met on this particular day, and from there it's again trying to go towards 90. Bajaj Finserv as well as Bajaj Finance today had not a great closing, but I think given the sentiment of the market, these would again be able to cope up. MFSL also tried to move past the levels of 1020 on this particular day. It was unable after the result, so it's also in a very tight spot between 105 1020 and the levels of 950. So that's it, folks. Godrej Properties also maybe 2200 में आके इसको फिर support मिलेगी. Astral posted fantastic results. I have created positions at 2300, which I'm still carrying, and even if it corrects towards 2000, I will still add. I always keep on adding positions in companies which I believe in, and Astral is definitely one of them. Bharat Forge made an all-time high, 52-week high yesterday, and then again it's below 800. So this also seems like it will linger at 800 for some time. Lotus Labs looks really weak. We talked about Lotus Labs short positions on the weekend video, and here you can see it was the day it broke the levels of 490. Now it corrected towards 450 levels. Also Balakrishna Industry looks really weak. Let's see if it is able to. So जब तक Balakrishna Industry 2500 के ऊपर नहीं जाएगी, we won't be considering it. And from a target perspective, I think eventually अगर ये levels में immediate reversal नहीं आती है, then going forward it will correct towards the levels of 2200. So hope this video is going to help you in taking your positions. In general, this video was just to showcase that till so many days, at least 2 weeks sort of, I was skeptical of the up move, but now I think I got enough evidence and data in my favor to say that I am optimistic, and going forward I will do this selective trading, and hopefully this will be a good decision. Thanks a lot for listening. Bye bye. Enjoy your day.